dear lover, I don't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt me now. You're here, that's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close. And rain will make the flowers grow. But you will live my love, dear God above. If I could hear you out with words of love, just hold me now and let it be. Shelter me, comfort me. You will live 100 years. If I could show you how, I won't desert you now. This rain can't hurt me now. This rain will wash away what's past. And you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close. I'll sleep in your embrace at last. The rain that brings you here is heaven blessed. The sky begins to clear, and I'm at rest. I'm breath away from where you are. I've come home from so far. Don't you fret, my dear lover, I don't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt me now. This rain will wash away what's past. You will keep me safe, and you will keep